bloody morning. Haven't got a drink yet. We've come back to the horse paddock, they call it, in Chittering Acres. Bought the camper this time. I didn't do any filming last time, so I thought I'd better come back because it's a pretty good spot. Thought it's worth sharing. So old Pip's having a bit of a smell around. She's been here before. I'm about to set that up and get my fire going and relax for the next 2 days. Got some easy meals. I think I've only got steak tonight and salmon tomorrow. I'll do a brunch. Yeah, and pretty much just sit back, just watch the bush TV. She might go in there, not sure yet. Breeze is cold. I'm glad I got the electric blanket in there. Yeah, all right. Show you as I go. Rightio, camp's pretty much set up. I just got to tidy a few things up, get me cooker out, and I still haven't got a beer yet. I'm trying these Samba firewalls. See a lot of people using them, so thought I'd give them a go. And because when I was doing the pub run, I forgot to, there we go, film it. So here we go. I've just put 3 in there. These are just tree stakes, jarrah. Apparently they last 3 times longer than the white ones. See how we go. Alright, I'm not far from making a drink. We've got to get warm, hey Pip? Hey, it's a bit chilly. Alright, all good. Well, good bloody goon evening. I've missed the day. I've been hanging out by the fire all day today. I didn't really feel like doing much. Yeah, had a bit of a full-on week, so it's good to sit back and relax. Check this out. How nice is that? Met old mate, Andrew, the camp host. He came up to say g'day again. I'm just getting dinner ready, so tonight I've got some ribeye fillets, some potato gratins, a little bit of zucchini in there, some little bread rolls, dinner rolls, and then I'll throw some garlic and onion sort of creamy sauce with prawns. My prawnies are sitting here. Yeah. And Pip wants to have some, don't you, Pip? Hey? What a good gal. Yeah, a bit of a mellow day today. Tomorrow, I might flick the drone up. That's what I've come back for, so to sort of show this place. But I actually like this spot. It's so awesome, eh? It's covered or protected by all the trees from the breeze, the wind. We're supposed to get some rain, so that's alright. I'll just put the walls up on the awning. Probably don't really need you there. Hey my girl, what are you doing? Hey, Poo! Pee-pee! Yeah, awesome spot. Anyway, so my fire's going, that's all nice and warm. Do you know, today's been a bit of a funny day. Take my beanie off because I get hot, take my jumper off because I get hot, take my Uggies off because I get hot, put it back on because I get cold, and then do it all again. Oh. Anyway, good bloody goon evening. Right, I'll show you when dinner's I won't bore you with this, we've all seen this before, we've all had steak, a couple of cherry toms. Show when it's plated up. I think tonight's going to be an early one. I'm a bit knackered, eh? I'm tired. Anyway. I'll just show you dinner. So I've got my potato, no, what have I got? Par-baked rolls, zucchini, cherry toms, steak with prawns with a creamy garlic sauce, and my potato gratins. Bloody awesome. Just show you camp tucked away there. I call this horse paddock, but there's plenty of other room around here. You can fit heaps of vans in here, heaps of open areas. When I came here last time it was a little bit drier, but it's good to see the green on the ground. It's awesome. I'll show you some artwork that the owners have done. I'll take you down there. I'll chuck some HipCamp on too. Put the other camera in my pocket. Yeah. Oh, there's some firewood. Alright, I'll show you when we get down there. Come and see the cow. This is a bit of artwork that's in the paddocks here. This is actually donated to the owners. There apparently was a little calf, but just over the period of time it's deteriorated. Pippi's got HipCamp on, but it looks like the camera's sitting on the side. Let me help you with that. Oh. Is that better? Come on. I'll show you some more. I was under bit here. Another bit of artwork. There's a torso and a head up there. That's pretty cool. Oh, Pippi, hang on. These are pretty cool. Love the colours. And they're all old urns and cups and everything else. Andrew, the owner, was saying that his wife sits there and drills holes in them all, puts steel rods in them, and creates them. That's pretty cool. Pippi's spitting it because she's got the camera on and she doesn't want to do it. Alright, there's a bit of a look. old mate was telling me that they're pretty booked out, so there's a few campers around. I've passed some down by those the artwork down there too, so you can always message Andrew and just say, what have you got? Because there's plenty of room around here. 700 acres, good for dogs, kids will love it. A lot of gravel tracks so they can ride their push bikes and all that. Plenty of room, heaps of stuff to look at too. Just gave my calves a workout. Sitting at a desk all day doesn't help you out at all. Alright, I'm going to go back and have some brekkie. I don't even know what the time is. I got up pretty early this morning. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, try to fly my drone and it's calling for an update, so I'll have a play with that, and if I manage to get it going, I'll stick it in here somewhere. Are you right? Oh, I had to take HipCamp off. She was doing a statue, she didn't want to walk. Hey Pip, that's much better, eh? You can run around now. Well, good bloody morning. Sunday morning, I've already packed up. Got smashed with rain last night, that was pretty cool. Well, not really, because I've packed up a wet camper now, can't help that. Chittering acres, it's pretty cool. Like I was saying before, heaps of artwork around the main track. Dog friendly, 700 acres worth. Kiddie friendly. And it's probably the most competitive price HipCamp there is, really. No facilities, fully self-sufficient. Andrew's a pretty good host. There's a semi. Yeah, you have to be careful when you come out of here. It's sort of on a bend. There's a dual lane there, so that's okay if you're heading back to Perth. So that's it, time to go. Until next time, cheers to all the new subscribers. I didn't think I'd end up saying stuff like that, but yeah, wow, jumped on. My last video was pretty cool too. There was a good couple of hundred in like 2 days. I was wrapped in that. What am I doing next? I'm doing a Salt Lake Dam run in September, but I might squeeze another camp in between that. So that one will be probably 2 weeks worth. Yeah. Hopefully all the wildflowers are out by then. Had plenty of rain. Love the artwork. They just recycle everything, anything that they find. They make something out of, so that's pretty cool. All right, going home now. Got to sort this wet camper out. Well, it's mainly the awning that's wet and the fly on the camper. The camper's pretty dry, so that's all right. Here's hoping, because nobody likes mold. All right, all good. Until next time.